What's going on, guys? Testing out the Sony ZV-1. We're just walking downtown in Phoenixville. It's a windy day, so hopefully the mic doesn't pick up too much of the wind noise. We have a little wind muff on it. We'll give it a test. This is one of the cool things in Phoenixville. On Friday, Saturday, Sunday, they actually shut down the streets now, and there's an open air policy, so you could actually walk up and down the street with a drink in your hand. It's absolutely awesome. It's also great for outdoor dining. So if you're out on a Friday, Saturday night, come check it out. So I have to say, so far, I'm really loving this camera. The autofocus on it is just unbelievable. It's so fast, it's just lightning speed. And the cool thing is you put something in front of it, it just instantly focuses on that. You pull it away, just like I did with that beer glass, it just focuses on the background. That alone makes this camera so worth it. Now we're testing out some low light settings. Looks good to me. Alright, so now we're walking home, and this is a low light test. Just lit up by street lights, and that's pretty much it. I think it's holding up pretty good overall. What do you guys think? Well, there we go. I think we had a great night out on town. And I think that this Sony ZV-1 did a really good job. We put it through the test with the audio in various situations. We did some low light testing at night. And I have to say, overall, I'm really impressed with this thing. I love that it's so lightweight, compact, easy. I think the quality of it is just amazing. So guys, if you like this little review of the Sony ZV-1, make sure you give me a thumbs up. And make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss another one of my videos. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.